Hello, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, I am Flemming, and I live in Nyborg, and I have had this big pleasure to have a visit from Kush, who is now continue his travel from Oxford to Copenhagen. He's going to take the train now at 8:30, and he will hopefully meet some good people in Sjælland who can accommodate him and push him further on.
You are helping me on that.
I will do my best.
Yeah, please. And what is your message for Copenhagen, Mr. Fleming?
My message for Copenhagen is that all the governments will actually get a very, very good deal where they will also take into consideration that the poor countries will be considered as people who will be taken care of, maybe in compensation for something, I don't know what, but a good deal for all the countries. It's a big change.
And can you hold this for me?
Yes.
Just hold it.
So,
and show me. Please continue. Continue. Hold it for me. Can you see me?
yes.
Yes. Okay, here we are. I'm getting all ready. My foot is much better. And you just spoke to Mr. Fleming at the Five Bodil. They've been fantastic hosts for me. They've given me extra energy to do this. I will be in Copenhagen